Hi, my name is Katalin Voiko and I'm a system engineer with N2W. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set password rules. First, go to the settings on the top right side, then click on security and password. In here, you will be seeing some options that you can either enable or disable, one of them being login session expiration. What this means is basically when a user will be logged out of the console after a set amount of inactivity. So you can set this to hours or minutes, depending on what you like. Then you have the password settings, where you can enable password rules. For example, that the password must contain numbers, uppercase, lowercase, letters, and then some symbols as well. You can set the minimum password length and also limit common passwords. This will not allow the user to set any of the 20,000 common passwords. For example, like password or password 123, those will not be allowed. You can also restrict numeric only passwords. That means the password has to contain uppercase, lowercase, and all the others from above. Then you can enable password expiration and password history. You can say that the password will expire every 6 months and the user will be prompted at login to change his password every 6 months. Also, you can enforce a password history, meaning that the password cannot repeat itself for at least the number of times that you select in here. Once you have set this up, whenever you create a new user, those will be the password rules that the user will have to follow.